In this video, I will show you how you can create a PowerPoint. Sorry, how to install a PowerPoint. My bad. To install a PowerPoint on Mac, it is a very easy process. All you have to do is just have to open up your Safari. You just have to open up your Safari, and from here you can go on and search for PowerPoint for Mac, and click that download. And after this, you can just go and click this one up. So this will direct you to the App Store on here, so you don't have to search from here. But if you do want to search, you can go right ahead. And if you haven't downloaded, you can just click download on this. Just click download on this and wait for it to get downloaded. After it has been downloaded, you can just open up your PowerPoint from the Spotlight search. This is by pressing Command and space, and then you can search up PowerPoint, and then it will shows up at the top of the search. And just click on this, or you can just click return, and then it will open up this PowerPoint. Let me just show it to you. And after this, like so, PowerPoint, click return, and you can open up the PowerPoint. Or if you don't know how to use the Spotlight search, you can just search from here, and then you can just search for PowerPoint right here, and you can also drag this to your dock, so it will make everything up easier. Let me just quit this and remove this up. So just to show you how to put that on the dock, just drag this onto your dock, and it will stay on the dock, so you can just click this to open your PowerPoint up whenever you need it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.